It's prolific, there's no question. Just as in any market where there's a new segment becoming a trend that's building steam, there's copycats, there's people looking to hollow out the integrity to do it cheaper. What I love about business is integrity is so essential for most businesses until you get to the very, very top, and then interesting things happen. But for small and medium-sized enterprises especially, you cannot survive without integrity. And so I've seen so many of those companies start up, get fresh, do some boost in sales, get found out, and be gone. For the larger companies that are trying to dress on in green, they're also found out. They're not fooling anybody long-term. And so I love the market. It shakes out those without integrity over time.
We don't do greenwashing because it's a negative term, as you know. So we focus our efforts away from planting a tree for every customer we get. We don't do anything like that. We stick to how we give back, and that's volunteering in the community.
Well, I just say I have no comments for this because our whole business is green, and everybody wants to be green.
Yeah.
And what you're saying is right. Yeah, everybody wants to jump on, like what Mark said, what Joey said is absolutely right. People want to jump on the bandwagon. Yeah, everybody wants to be green, but really, very few people are really green. The thoughts, we have to change our thought process, that I would say. We should be all thinking, why are we really doing green things? Are we really doing good for the environment? If I don't have an example right now, but I can just tell you if you have a minute. Extra. That's fast. No, I just tell you, like if you take 3 portions of tissue paper, that's equal 1 gram. And if every North American uses only that much amount of tissue paper a day, you know how many trees are being flushed out just for that morning ritual? 8,400 trees. I'll give you the simple mathematics. 1 gram multiplied by 350 million, that's the population of America and North America, Canada and US together. So 1 gram multiplied by 350 million will give you 350 metric tons. Each ton of paper you need to cut 24 trees. So multiply 8,500 by 24 will give you a figure of 8,400 trees, which are just flushed out using only this much amount of tissue paper. I normally carry that, but today I don't have it.
So there's a lot of work to do.
Yeah.